Hello, my name is Thomas Krasicki. Today I will show you my flat in the city center of Krakow.
The flat is at a quiet place in a side street, and in the courtyard you will find a beautiful green plant. In case you will come by car, you will find your personal parking lot in the underground car park. From there you need 10 meters to the elevator, what brings you directly to the flat on the first floor. While entering the flat, you will find yourself in the huge corridor, which connects all of the rooms. Internet and television, including international channels, are for free. You are able to access the big balcony from every room except the bathroom. The balcony is facing southwest position to assure a lot of sunny hours. There is a 24/7 security service on site, including video surveillance at the whole area to assure fullest security. The flat is only 6 minutes away from the main train station. You can also find a shopping mall with a lot of boutiques. From here you have 7 minutes to go to the old town Stare Miasto, including all the touristic attractions. You can pick up the keys from the agency Sun and Snow, which is in the same street, 5 minutes away. If you need more information, check out the website. If you want to book directly, you can go to the website of booking.com and search for Apartmente Sun and Snow Nowym Krakow. The search function will show you now as first choice the Sun and Snow apartments, which you can click directly. To get to my apartment, scroll down to the one bedroom apartment Rakowicka 20H Street. If you click on this, you only need to enter the duration of the trip and you will be ready for booking.